Now let's talk about risk management, especially when it comes to options trading.
Okay.
Pinkleton is adamant that you should only trade with money you can afford to lose.
Right.
No dipping into your emergency fund or retirement savings.
That's absolutely crucial, especially for options, which
Yep.
can involve significantly higher risk and potential for loss
Right?
compared to traditional stock investments.
Yeah,
It's about protecting yourself from devastating losses.
exactly.
Yeah.
She also advises against going full port,
What does that mean?
which means putting all your money on a single trade,
Oh, and
and emphasizes the importance of diversification.
uh-huh.
Her analogy is that you always want to have some gunpowder left.
I love that analogy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, let's shift gears and talk about Pinkleton's views on shares versus options,
Okay.
especially for beginners.
This is where things get particularly interesting.
Right, Pinkleton is a strong advocate for starting with shares,
Okay.
which represent ownership in a company and don't have an expiration date.
Right.
She contrasts this with options,
Yeah,
which involve more complexity and risk due to their limited lifespan.
I see.
She makes a great point about the psychological comfort of owning shares.
Uh-huh.
They represent a tangible piece of a company,
Yeah.
whereas options can feel more like a bet with a time limit.
Interesting.
And she has this fantastic analogy to
Right.
explain her point.
Oh, I love a good analogy.
She talks about buying shares when the price is down,
Oh, hey.
just like you would snag a designer handbag or a pair of sneakers on sale.
That Brahmin bag analogy.
Oh, I know, I love it.
Yeah, it makes the concept of buying shares on sale relatable and appealing,
Right.
even for those who might not be familiar with financial jargon.
Exactly. It's about recognizing that market dips can create opportunities
Yeah,
to buy into quality companies at a discounted price.
exactly.
Pinkleton emphasizes that shares are an asset you can hold for the long term,
Uh-huh.
while options are more about timing the market
Right?
and making short-term bets.
I see.
She even points out the banks aren't impressed if you try to use options as collateral for a loan.
Really?
They want to see real ownership.
Like shares in a solid company.
Yeah, like Tesla.
Okay, interesting.
Now, towards the end of the show, a listener asks about the role of AI in stock trading.
Oh, this should be good.
Yeah, this sparks a lively discussion about the potential benefits and pitfalls of using technology to make investment decisions.
It's a topic that's on everyone's mind these days.
For sure, Pinkleton acknowledges the potential of AI for research and generating trade ideas,
Uh-huh.
but she also cautions against relying on AI advice blindly.
Yeah, you don't want to just follow what an algorithm tells you to do
Right.
without understanding the reasoning behind it.
Exactly.
Mm-hmm.
She emphasizes that while AI can be a useful tool,
Right.
it's crucial to do your own research
Yes,
and develop your own critical thinking skills when it comes to investing.
absolutely.